rundown of the Jeep Gladiator 2020. This is basically their top trim spec one with all of the tow package and absolutely all of the bells and whistles. I'm told it is rated to tow 6,000 pounds in top trim with tow package, which is pretty respectable. The backup camera back here worked really well. Assisted lowering tailgate. The box size is pretty good. I think for most people it would probably be more than adequate. Obviously not a huge like work box, but more than sufficient. All the normal off-road stuff. The Fox suspension on this was shockingly good. I would say it's on par with the multi-spool suspension that the ZR2 has. Having driven that as well, it has the very Jeep look. It feels a lot smaller than it actually is when it's out on the road. Very good turn radius, very nimble. All of that stuff is very good. Everything's pretty beefy on it. The front camera actually has a cleaner, so you hit the button and it squirts it with fluid and keeps it clean. And the front camera also shows you trail marks where it is intending you to go, which I thought was pretty cool. The interior on it is pretty nice. This is top trim. I was expecting it to have more, you know, power seat stuff, but I guess that's just, oh, that's weird. It's got a pull strap for the back seat, and yet it also has doors for the back seat. Touchscreen, pretty great. I really like the updated version of this. I've only seen the older ones they had in some of the Challengers and stuff, but it's pretty solid. Like I said, the seats were surprisingly comfortable. They are pretty narrow and kind of tight, but that's kind of how I prefer my seating. So I would give this a big thumbs up. All the normal heads-up display and all that stuff was as you would expect. It drives really comfortably and really confidently, which is what I was really curious about, because I know Jeeps can be a little floaty or a little this or a little that, but this was really a step above what I had anticipated. This roof that is quick to disattach was really impressive. I did find it an absolute pain to get in because, you know, I am incredibly short, but the back seats actually look great. I'm going to attempt to get up in here. Maybe I should put the camera on this one. I did make it into the back seat. There's some pretty cool stuff back here. Your speakers are fully encased, so if you do take the roof off here, nothing gets absolutely destroyed in the case of that. This back seat is a 60-40 split, and if you pull the lever over here, this swings down. You actually have a Bluetooth speaker over here. So this comes off. Tailgating, always a must to have your tunes. I thought that was a pretty neat feature, considering that is the type of market that this is going for. And then this flips up here. You've got a lever here. You've got storage bins, which probably have a certain amount of water protection if you were putting stuff in there, but I guess it's also got partitions and different things to divide off when the roof comes off for putting tools or the different screws. USB ports everywhere, power outlets, all the good stuff that you would expect from a modern vehicle. Oh, I kind of wish this thing had running boards. Ugh. Very cool. Very cool. I'm absolutely shocked and impressed with how much more this offers than what I had anticipated for it just being a Jeep. I like the new headlights. I think this is a pretty classy touch, keeping them, I don't know, somewhat nostalgic looking, I guess. It's one of the favorite things I have about my old Harley is it's still got that nostalgic touch. So special thanks to Lake Ridge Chrysler in Port Hope, Ontario. This has been a lot of fun. Hit them up if you need any Jeep Gladiators. They've definitely got a few of them in stock.